Hey, what's up everybody? This is Usama here. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you collect payments for recurring appointments inside of GoHighLevel. Now, this can be really helpful for use cases like cooking classes or tutoring sessions or anything that requires multiple appointments on a set schedule. And by enabling this recurring payment option, you can save yourself some time and effort. So let's jump into our GoHighLevel sub account and I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm under the calendars here, and as you can see, I have a bunch of them here. I'm going to choose this one, which is for a French class every single week. Now we're going to pick this one and enable the recurring payment option. So all I have to do is click on the three dots, click on edit here. And of course, if you don't have a calendar set up, you can set up one and then start with it. So we're going to head over to availability here, then scroll down, and then we'll see an option recurring meeting. It is already enabled. We are doing 4 weekly classes on this calendar. So now in order to enable the payments, we have to head over to this option where it says forms and payment. So let's click on that. And you can see the accept payments is already enabled. We are collecting $50 per each appointment. And you can, of course, type in the description here. And then you can see we have a recurring appointments payment option enabled. Now this option will only unlock once you have recurring meeting enabled. And you, of course, have accept payments enabled as well. So we already have that. That's why we can see this. And you can see we have a couple of options here. One is first appointment only, and then we have all appointments. So what happens when we do first appointment only? Now, because there's a $50 cost for each class, if somebody goes to book an appointment on this calendar, it will only charge $50 upfront. And for the rest of the payments, you will have to manually collect that instead of GoHighLevel. And then the second option we have is all appointments. And of course, this is more automated because they will have to pay upfront for all the appointments. So let's say if they are getting 4 appointments on this calendar, based on the recurring setting and availability, then they would be charged 4 times the $50, which is $200 upfront. So that would save you the admin cost, and it is much more automated that way, right? So I'm going to keep it to all appointments for now. This is in test mode since we are just doing this for the purpose of the video. But of course, if you are going live with this, you'll have to turn this on here. I'm going to keep this off for now, and I'm going to save this calendar here to see how these changes reflect in the calendar. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to open this calendar. And you can see we have 4 occurrences for this. So let's choose a time here and pretend we're a customer. I'm going to fill out the information, select my preferred location here, then click on confirm. And then if we scroll down, you can see we have payment information. So this is where I'll put in my card. But on the left side, you can see the total amount is $200 because we have 4 appointments on these dates and $50 is for 1 class, which makes it $200 for the 4 sessions. So you can see we can now collect payments for recurring meetings, and this option lets you do all hands off. So now if I put in my card information and click on book the French class, it will just take a few seconds and you can see the meeting has been scheduled and we will get $200 upfront for the 4 sessions this customer will have with us. And if you want to have visibility of how many payments you're getting, of course, you can head over to payments here and go high level. And under transactions, you can find this payment here. So you can see there's a $200 amount that has succeeded. And the source is the calendar name that we had in this example. So you can see it is perfectly tracking the transactions. The customer is able to pay for their recurring appointments. And you can do all of this very easily using the GoHighLevel setup that we just did. That was about this video. I hope you found it valuable. This is Usama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.